my gosh, this is such a cute bird.
Can Daddy look out the window? There's a round little black one I've never seen.
It's a baby one. The mummy was feeding it, and it's so cute. Look at it.
Zoom in. If you can.
I can't really. Oh, look at it. It's so cute, everybody. It's so round. So basically, the mummy was feeding it, and it was so cute.
Oh, it's adorable. I bet
So mummy's just gonna feed
they're
it.
going to have watermelon milk. Look at the watermelon soup.
I wonder if he'll fly away. Let's watch. Oh, he's flying away. Okay. Don't worry. Cute little thing. Have you gone? Has he gone? It's freezing outside this morning. It's not very sunny, is it? I think he's gone. Oh well, he'll come back later. Oh, so cute.